I looked up my old username, which is Sarah Lee Hall.
And I'm highly upset that. Excuse me.
Bro, I love banning people from cats. It's fun as hell.
Same.
You could just be like, you're a bitch.
Soda Rose.
Oh yeah, bro, Tommy.
Oh my god.
Alright.
There's definitely more of them too. Let me see.
But I'm gonna do a real stream tomorrow, guys. So
Also, throwback.
please don't hate me. Please don't unfollow me. Don't hate me, guys.
Hold on. Let's go to this one. This one I think is good.
Excuse me. There it is.
Don't leave. I'm coming back.
James. But, excuse me. You love my hair. Thank you.
Fuck. Oh shit. I can't.
And I'm highly upset that. Excuse me.
Excuse me, please.
I'm gonna cry. No way, bro called you washed at burping. I'm trying to tell you.
We got some brandy, we got some fucking whiskey.
My like living situation changed again, like for the third time.
Y'all. This is like literally, how long is this? Bro, it's fucking 6 minutes long.
To DM, nothing creepy.
Okay.
Ooh. Are you sure you don't burn one to man? I'm really fan.
Where I ripped the fucking mic.
Take my place, James.
Nah, don't make yourself throw up. That's nasty.
Junior, that's you! Are you in here? Listen, this one's you.
Having a burp, bro. Nah, don't make yourself throw up. That's nasty.
Because that's like. Hold on, headphone warning. Let's say to that. Oh, that was a terrible one. Oh, strawberry.
What does it end with? Does it end with a good one?
Headphone warning.